Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations, Math Olympiad. We have 5 to the power x minus 2 equals 40. So to solve this, we consider the solution from here. So this follows when we have, suppose we have a raised to the power of n minus m. So this equals a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power of m. So by applying this to this, we have 5 power x divided by 5 power 2 equals 40. Then from here we have to cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we have 5 power x equals 40 multiplied by 5 power of 2. And 5 power of 2 here, that is 25, or we can just leave it in that form. Then here we are going to introduce logarithm on both sides. So here we have log 5 power x equals log 40 multiplied by 5 power of 2. So here, let's say we have log p raised to the power n. This equals n log p. And also we have log of a times b. So this equals log a plus log b. So here we are going to apply these two rules, and we have this as x multiplied by log 5 equals log 40 plus log 5 raised to the power of 2. Then, so let's say we divide both sides by log 5. So in both sides, we have log 5 cancelled log 5. So then our x here equals log 40 plus, so log 5 to the power 2. You can also call it 2 log 5. So from the rule I applied above, divided by log 5. And in the next step here, we have to divide this as x equals log 40 divided by log 5. So plus 2 log 5 divided by log 5. So log 5 cancels log 5. Then we are going to have x equals 2 plus log 40 divided by log 5. So in the next step we have, so here we have x equals 2 plus, so we can also break this 40 into 5 multiplied by 8 divided by log 5. And here is product, which we can still apply the rule I applied above. And we change this one to x equals 2 plus log 5 plus log 8 divided by log 5. Then from here, you can see this as x equals 2 plus log 5. So we divide this one by log 5 plus log 8 divided by log 5. So log 5 cancelled log 5. We have x equals 2 plus 1 plus log 8 divided by log 5. So here we have x equals, so 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus, and log 8 divided by log 5. So we can call this one log 8 base 5. So we can just leave our answer in this form as 3 plus log 8 base 5. Or if you like, we can still call this one our x equals 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5. So any one of this form, the answer is still correct. And let's try and verify for this answer we got in the given question. So we have, so let's try and verify for this. We are going to have 5 raised to power of, so x is 3 plus log 8 base 5. Then here we have minus 2. So we want to check if this equals 40. So we have 3 minus 2 here, which gives 1 plus log 8 base 5. So is this equals 40? So from here, we can just raise this as 5 raised to power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power of log 8 base 5. We want to check if this equals 40. So 5 raised to power 1, that is 5, multiplied by, so here is 5 raised to power of log 8 base 5. So we want to check if this equals 40. And from here, suppose we have a raised to power of log b base a. So this equals b. Then by applying it here, we have 5 multiplied by 8. So this equals 40. And when we multiply 5 by 8, we get 40 here. And 40 equals 40. So this shows that the left hand side of this equation equal to the right hand side when we substitute the value of x at 3 plus log 8 base 5. So this is how to solve this problem step by step. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.